When you hear me say flying cruise ship, you might imagine one of these enormous concept vehicles that you see on screen. This particular one, called the Sky Cruise, is a nuclear-powered airplane with lots of amenities, even better than a cruise ship. It was insanely viral in mid-2022, even though it was just an idea. Which raises the question, how close are we to getting an actual flying cruise ship? Not a dumb nuclear-powered gigaplane, but something closer to today's technology. Maybe an aircraft which is quite large, but also quite quiet and offers a nice view of the scenery. This is why I picked the 787 Dreamliner as a possible candidate for our flying cruise ship. It is a wide-body jet, meaning that it can comfortably accommodate lots of passengers. It also has a hull made of carbon fiber, which is a lot stronger than conventional aluminium, meaning that the cabin pressure can be a lot higher than most airliners. And the windows are also a lot bigger, offering a much better view. Now that we've decided on our aircraft, we need to see what we can fit inside it and how many passengers can be accommodated. After all, you can't call the ordinary all-economy seating as the most luxurious flying cruise ship. So after spending ages developing a 3D model, I've finally come up with the best configuration on the 787 Dreamliner. The largest variant, the 787-10, is capable of holding 12 cabins, 4 suites, an Emirates-style luxury bar, and even a restaurant. There will also be a little coffee corner where people can socialize with a little electric fireplace for decoration. And before you ask, but what about the water slides and shopping malls and zip lines and pools and surf simulators and aquatheaters that an ordinary cruise ship has? Well, don't forget about the very nature of cruising itself. You're supposed to go to very nice touristy destinations, but since going there on a ship takes so long, you make the journey a destination of itself, with lots of amenities to keep the passengers entertained. For example, a transatlantic cruise can take between 12 to 16 nights. A plane can do it in several hours. Airplanes are also a lot cleaner than cruise ships. The vessel shown on screen, Icon of the Seas, emits 5.5 million tons of carbon dioxide. The 787-10, however, only emits about 123 tons, meaning that the carbon footprint per passenger is brought down from about 980 tons to just 4. The passengers would enjoy spectacular views inside some fairly nice cabins, and the long-range wide-body design will allow it to take you from London to New York, from Paris to Singapore, without having to stop for refueling. The plane will land at its destination, allow the passengers to explore their surroundings for about a day, and then the next morning, the plane can take off and repeat the cycle. With a plane like this, you can truly go anywhere and still have a wonderful experience in doing so. Please remember to like and subscribe. This has been Head for Science, and I'll see you in the next video.